I never knew what I wanted to be till I met you. The smile on your face, couldn't believe that it was true. My heart it grew and grew, filled to the brim with my love for you. April 6, 2022 was the proudest moment I've ever had, because somehow, some way, I was lucky enough to become your dad. Don't forget that they will fade, but before they do, go dancing in the rain. Tonight, you were in so much pain, your soul-piercing cries could drive a man insane. How could I remain so calm in the face of such immense pressure? With you ready to explode like an atom bomb, I only wish to offer you a helping hand, to help you stand and fight with all your might. I wanted to hug and hold you tight till the sun broke right through the night. What a fool I was, I never knew that your distress could leave me such a mess. Alora, rain, whenever life gives you gray skies, remember who you are. Alora, rain, there will be pain, please remember who you are. Alora, rain, the storm's rolling, don't forget that they will fade. But before they do, go dancing in the rain. My daughter, my flame, my heart someday will forever be apart. I'm not worried because you're brave, you're strong and smart. I'm so very proud of the woman you are. The lessons you've learned will help you to shine. And never forget, babes, Daddy loves you until the end of time.